Hey everyone, it's Crystal Bashara here. I wanted to show you a budget-friendly way to set up a professional-looking display at your next art fair with just a few simple items that I bought from Amazon. And I did all of this for about $450, not including the tent, but that compares to professional setup with fusion panels or pro panels that usually run around $1,000 to $2,000. I spent several weeks researching these materials and sure wish there was a video tutorial on an easy and inexpensive booth setup like this, and I hope this really helps you to create a sleek, beautiful, simple setup that you can easily do by yourself. So here's what I bought from Amazon to complete my booth. This heavy-duty mesh, and notice that it is a woven design, not a solid plastic tarp. And there's a really big difference because you want this strong mesh that already has holes so that you're not creating holes that are pulling and tearing. I bought some bungee balls, zip ties, wire metal curtain hooks, and these awesome adjustable picture hanging wire hooks, as well as these white bulldog clips. What's wonderful about these mesh panels is not only are they lightweight, but they come with a number of grommets. So I just use bungee cord balls to loop through the grommets and fasten to my framework. And I used zip ties to fasten the remaining sections to the framework or sometimes to the mesh panels themselves to close up any gaps and to create a really nice taut surface so that the panels lay flat. Now I bought the 8x10 variety and they fit absolutely perfectly in a 10x10 booth. As I mentioned, this is really heavy-duty plastic woven material, so I used the metal curtain hooks that I bought and used the pointy side to poke through the existing holes, and the hook and elbow portion is the perfect shape to hold framed pieces, whether using sawtooth hangers or metal wire frame. If you want extra security, you can use two hooks and hang them from the D-rings. Here I'm just hanging them from the wire, but it's up to you if that helps to stabilize your image and keep it from rocking back and forth. For lighter weight images, I used my white bulldog clips and just hung them off of the hook. I also found the hooks super handy for my price tags, so you can see them displayed here. Finally, for the heavier pieces, I used the adjustable picture hanging wire that comes with hooks and loops at the other end. I just looped those over the metal frame of my tent for extra stability. And these are beautiful because they just glide effortlessly up and down the wire, and they hold up to 45 pounds. So they go a long way, and you can hang multiple hooks from a single wire. You guys, I hope this video was super helpful, and I hope this keeps your costs a little lower this coming art fair season. All the product links are listed below in the description. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel or to this blog. And for more video tutorials, you can visit my website under crystalbashara.com/shop videos.